What is up, you guys? It's Mother's Day weekend and I'm cooking for my family of 15. So come grocery shop with me and then let's do a little cooking at the end. So I'm just starting off at my local fruit market where I'm gonna grab all my fresh fruits and vegetables that I can't find at like Walmart or Jewel. And to be honest, last night I put in another grocery order for like really heavy can and pantry items that I need for my list. And so while I'm shopping, they're bagging my stuff and they're waiting for me. So they were out of croutons, so I just picked those up, added them to my cart. My total was 44 at this store, and I'm on to the next bigger grocery store, which is Jewel. Look at all these beautiful flowers, and by the time I was leaving, they were stocking more. These caught my eye like really hard, and so did these huge chocolate covered strawberries. So those were the first things that I put in my cart. They weren't on the list, but they were delicious. So say less, let's continue on because I gotta hit the road. I gotta start cooking, you guys. Okay, finishing up at this store, I spent $159 plus the flowers were $33 total. And then, like I said, I'm going to drop those groceries off. And this is everything that I got from Walmart, which is a lot of heavy stuff, I'm not going to lie. So it was so simple for me because I was nonstop cooking and kind of designing the menu of what I wanted to cook. So yeah, that's everything. I spent like $150 there and $40 on Amazon. And I also catered these yummy dressings. I freaking love Portillo's chocolate cake as well. So I needed a Starbucks mint Java coffee frap and also my Amazon Mother's Day gift arrived. I guess I got some new cooking knives, so this whole cooking ordeal, this whole shebang will go so smooth, and it did. Those knives are really sharp. It was giving Ross kitchen aisle but I got it from Amazon. I think they were only like $14.99, which is a really good price. So right now I'm just starting on my cold Italian pasta salad that everyone always asks me to make for any birthday or, holiday celebration. It's like so much to do because it's like a lot of to chop up. And to be honest, I don't like chopping up the salami. It's like the most difficult for me, but it's like my most favorite thing that I make, which is really weird. So yeah, super Flavor Town Central right here. Like it's really yummy and it's better the next day. So I just added all the vegetables. Usually during the holidays, they only do red and green pepper, but during like spring and summer, I try to get all the colors of the pepper. So on to my next day, which is Sunday, Mother's Day. I'm starting on my pasta sauce because I'm going to make baked mostaccioli. Usually with a cold pasta salad, I use the penne pasta. So I just use the colorful rigatonis, and then I use regular mostaccioli noodles for my pasta. And then I did like 3 different kinds of hot dogs in the croissant for the kids. And this is that big chunk of meat that you've seen. I just like pulled it apart and I had it in the slow cooker for like 12 hours. This is my baked pasta and some garlic bread. those little hot dogs and a croissant. This is everything laid out and ready for people to get their plates filled. I'm telling you, those dressings are so yummy. There's a crab salad. That was what all the crab meat was for. And then just like a bunch of like olives and pickles and celery and a lot of fruit and lots of pies. Look at all these pies and the chocolate cake and everyone taking pictures of the table. And then I'm going to show you what the chocolate covered strawberry looked like. It was really big and really yummy and everyone was so happy, and I couldn't be any more happier that I did this for my mom and my grandmother, my sister, and myself. So enjoy.